This video is showing a tool that is checking if kick plates are standard parts, and if so, is generating the production data for the kick plates, for the standard kick plates, and is exporting the production data to system drawings that contain a representation of a standard kick plate and a table for the production data. The tool is integrated into the group tool. It's customization for a client, and as all tools of that type, of the standard part type, it has a structure that I explained in the video production data for standard parts concept. The tool has two parts, as all these tools. It has a check part and it has an export part. And also this tool, the tool for the kick plates, has a couple of settings that can be made. It has a setting for the hold patterns of the kick plates, and the distance of the hold pattern from the start and end of the kick plate can be set, and also the system distance between the hold patterns. The checking part can be done independently, or it can be done as a part of the name allocation process if make standard part check is checked. I'll use the independent command. First we have to isolate the parts, so we have to load the data into the tool, select all parts, then we can isolate the group type, the kick plate, and now I will use the check, and I select all parts. We get a message what has been done. Kick plates of subtype 150 millimeters got checked, and the colors the kick plates get colored according to the colors in the error color list here. As usual, the red parts are standard parts. They are okay. We have, besides a lot of red parts, we have quite some yellow parts. Here it says not one part, so these are kick plates that are L-shaped, or even maybe Z-shaped if they have three parts. And it might be interesting to include them into the as standard parts in the future. Then we have modifications that are not allowed here. We have blue kick plates that says holes wrong, and we see that the holes are of a different pattern, and that's because these kick plates are part of stairs. And then we have white kick plates, and they are excluded because they have the cut at the end towards the stairs. The standard part kick plates, they get tagged as usually. There's an entry in the node 1 of the group properties, and it says STP standard part kick plate 150 millimeter 0, subtype 0. Also we see that the parts are already positioned, and they got a standard part group position number that consists of the regular group position number and an extension that's the index of the part in the table of the system drawing. And the base part of the standard part group position number will refer to the number of the system drawing that's used. So let's check if the non-standard parts have group position numbers. And okay, fine, that's an ordinary group position number. Let's have a look at one of the L-shaped, also fine. So the kick plates are positioned, and we can do the export now. We will use the position numbers, and also there is a project number existing, so the export should work. Everything will get filled, the tables and also the title fields and the additional data that's necessary for total weight, for instance. We select all parts. The tool is rechecking the parts, if they got edited after the first standard part check. And if necessary, the tool will edit the entry in node 1, change that. And then the tool is checking if the position numbers of all parts are correct, if the standard parts got standard part group position numbers, and the ordinary parts ordinary position numbers. And the tool is also checking if standard parts that have the same base part of the group position number are of the same subtype, so that there are no subtype conflicts on the system drawings that get created. Everything seems to be fine here, and we can continue. And the tool is generating the production data and is exporting the production data to the system drawings. We got two system drawings here. We got one that stores data for parts that have up to seven hole patterns. And we see that the data in the table contains the quantity, the position number, the name of the part, the material, then the overall length, the angle of the end cuts, and the tool is checking if the parts only have one cut at each end. That's condition. And then it's also checking the whole pattern, if the whole pattern match the pattern in the template file, and also if there are no other modifications existing. So we see the table contains the data that's needed. If we look at the other system drawing, we see there are kick plates that contain more than 7 hole patterns, up to 14. Now the drawings have to be saved, the production data is generated, and the standard kick plates are detailed. There are videos for all tools of that type that we created on our webpage. So if you're interested to get more information, get in contact with us. There's also contact information that you can find on our webpage.